I got an email for a free 5x7 prints starting today until tomorrow. So for those who love freebies like me, there you go. Just go to walgreen.com, send 2 pictures of this size. Take note, 5x7 is our free this week, and use that code free 5 times 7. Type that one as upon checking out. I'll show you my order. So we have here prints 5x7. The original price is $2.99 per picture, and so I have an order of 2 that gives a total of $5.98. Here's the fun thing. So subtotal $5.98. The code is free 5x7, so it deducts $5.98. So as you can see, I have 0 balance. So just send this and just pick up only, of course, because if you will choose the shipping, it will they will charge you for that. So that is our freebie this week, guys. So for those who love freebies like me, as I've said, take this opportunity to free 5x7 prints. As I've said, go to your walgreen.com and then pick a picture you'd like and type that code and send it to your nearest Walgreen. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and as usual, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.